My people, it's your boy looking here once again with another video. So today's video is about hamster daily CIPHER combo. That's the CIPHER code. So we are going to solve it. Just like as you can see, the combo for today, that is the CIPHER for today, is trust, like trusting. So we are going to do it. So we're going to start with T, which is hash. So T hash, and we're going to go ahead with R, which is dot hash dots. So I'm done with trust. So yo is dot hash. Sorry, hash dots hash dots. So u is dot hash, and then s is triple dots. Last but not the least is hash, which is trust. And as you can see, we have actually cracked the code for today. So this is it. So I hope you guys got value from it. If you got value from it, don't forget to follow up if you are watching from Facebook, and subscribe if you are watching from YouTube. I love you guys. Next time is going to be for another combo. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.